outside. Good morning, sweetie. Good morning, Munchkin. Happy birthday, sweetie. Okay. Hi, sweetie. Goes, happy birthday to you. Oh, you want to get out? Happy birthday to you. We have a surprise for you. You ready?
You ready for your surprise? Daddy stayed up. Mommy and Daddy stayed up almost.
Well, Daddy did most of the work.
Yeah, we stayed up mostly all night working on this.
Oh, skinny. Look at that face. All right, 1, 2. Look what we got you. 3. Look. Do you love it? It's a new play kitchen. She got down real quick. Oh. She's like, I'm just gonna start organizing everything. Look, baby. Let me show you what it does. Look, there's some coffee right here. You can make some coffee for mommy. And you got a little cutting board. Yeah, you can wash the vegetables. That's your phone. We say, hola. And then look, this is the best part. You can make, wow. Isn't that cool? And then you can make some popcorn. Or if you want to cook some food, we can put this here. Look. Or you can put that. You like it? She's gonna cook the coffee pod. You wanna do the blender? Good job. Other one. Oh. That was funny. Look, wow. Ooh, what's in there? I think there's some birthday cupcakes. You found the cupcakes. We're gonna have a tea party later. You can put them over here. Yeah, by the way, I still need to put like the stickers on this thing, but the important thing is that the kitchen works. What? Hey! We finally get here. Yummy! That looks delicious. We got a cinnamon bacon pancake, and someone's grumpy.